Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to build a content machine using the ChatGPT and Canva. Let's get started. First, open the ChatGPT to generate your content ideas. Here, ask a prompt like, give me a 30 content ideas for the niche. Next, ask the ChatGPT to turn those ideas into a ready to post content such as captions, scripts, or quotes. And after that, open the Canva to design your visuals. Choose a template, then copy and paste the content generated by the ChatGPT. Here you can customize the fonts, colors, and layout to match your brand. Now create a multiple post in one session to build your content batch. And finally, schedule or post your content daily to stay consistent and grow faster. And that's it. That's how you build a content machine using ChatGPT. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.